everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Petunia channel. Today we have an Aldi yarn haul because there's the new yarn special event at Aldi at the moment. You've probably already heard about it, and I know I'm on a yarn ban, but when it comes to Aldi, you have to get the yarn because you don't know how long it's going to be there. It's going to run out. You know, like, and it's such cheap yarn, you just have to stock up because you don't know when it's going to come back, you don't know how much stock they have, etc, etc. So I bought yarn. Let's show you what I got. So I picked up 4 packs of the baby yarn. This is like the really popular one that everyone wants to buy because it's really special and you can't find this type of yarn anywhere else for this cheap. It's basically like Bernat. I think it's comparable to the Bernat baby yarn, but it's got a different texture. I think it's not as fluffy. I'm gonna get one out so you can see, but yeah, if you've had this yarn before, you know what I'm on about. It's kind of a it's a really interesting texture. But look at the colours of this one. It's so cool. I had to pick up this variegated one because the colours stood out so much to me. So yeah, this is the Knit and Pearl baby yarn, and this is in the colour Sherbet. You get 4 in a pack for only £3.99. So £1, well, less than £1 per ball is ridiculous. It's insane. So I had to pick this one up. It's so pretty. It's got like a bright yellow, a lilac, well, like a pinky lilac, which really matches this one actually. I think it's literally the same dye colour. And they have a bright yellow separate as well, and I think this pink you can get separate too. So they've got these variegated yarns, but also each of these colours you can get solid. So that's really cool. So if you wanted to make a project using all 3 of these colours, then you could buy the variegated as well as the solid, and it would look really cool. So yeah, this one is called Sherbet. They're 100-gram balls, so you get 400 grams. They are a chunky weight yarn, 5 weight yarn, 100% polyester, approximately 95 meters, and they suggest an 8mm knitting needles. I can't really remember. So I use the baby yarn for amigurumis, but I'm also knitting a project with it. I think I am using 8mm knitting needles, but for crochet I would use, well, depends, like on the amigurumi, probably an 8 crochet hook so it's nice and tight and not loose. Actually, I've got the project down here, and you can see that shelf there. I've got fully stocked of the old baby yarn colours, the yellow, pink and blue. That's what I'm making my knitted jumper out of. You might remember it from a while ago. I will show that again when I start working on it again. But yeah, I made this little ice cream. I still haven't added a mouth, but I might just leave it. I made this little strawberry ice cream amigurumi out of this yarn, and yeah, I think this yarn works up so nice for amigurumi. But yeah, so yeah, I like to keep this for amigurumis. I don't really like to crochet any sort of like clothes with it because the stitches can become quite loose, so amigurumi and knitting is perfect for this yarn. So this one actually comes with a different pattern. I feel like every special event they usually have different patterns printed on the inside of the label. So let's have a look at this one. I think it looks like a pillow and I think it's knitted. Yes. So it comes with a little nice pattern inside the label for a pillow. Cushion pattern included on reverse, so that's cool. I can't remember what the previous one was. Okay, so that was Sherbet. That one is definitely my favourite so far. I don't think I've picked up a variegated baby yarn before, so this is my first one and I'm excited to see how it works up. If you guys have purchased any of the yarn from this event or any of this variegated baby yarn or any yarn from Aldi before, please let me know in the comments. There we go. Okay, so the next colour I already showed you. It's the same thing, baby yarn, and this is in the colour Petunia. Again, $3.99, incredible. And this purple is stunning. I love this type of purple. It's like a warm pinkishy purple. So pretty! And it goes really nicely with these other baby colours over here. I'm gonna move you again. Look how pretty it looks with all the other colours. Oh, so nice. Kinda wish I got 2 packs now. But I had to restrict myself. Can't buy too much because I literally don't have the room for it. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yarn. Maybe I'll just keep it. Keep it here. So the next colour I got was Forget Me Not, and I almost didn't get this because I was like, oh, I've already got the light blue, but then I remembered that the old blue is called Sky Blue, I believe. Whoa, fly right by my face. So this one is slightly different, I think. Let me go grab it. Yeah, so it's, well, I'll get it out of the bag actually so you can see it without the lights glaring on the plastic. Here we go. Oh, look at the difference. Like, this one looks bigger. I think they have just wound them looser, like before maybe they wounded them a bit tighter. But yeah, that is quite different. And the colours are obviously different. The new one is a lot lighter, but they go well together perfectly. They're literally the same tone, just different shades. So yeah, that one's Forget Me Not, and this one's the old sky blue one. Yeah, these colours together are so pretty. They have more colours, but these are the ones that I picked up. And then the last baby yarn I picked up is this off-white cream one. This one is called Antique White. Yeah, thought I needed a white in this yarn because I didn't have a white already. Yes, and then I've got this colour, this, like, I think it's called Oatmeal, is like up at the top of my shelves. You can't see it down here. So yeah, I've got a lot of colours in this yarn now, which I'm super stoked about. So now all that's left to show you is the 2 Aran yarn colours I picked up. I'm going to take these out of the bags actually because... do I? Yeah, so you can see them better. The first colour I picked up is this beautiful green colour. So it's called the So Crafty Aran yarn, and this is in the colour Fern. It's so nice, and I've been using this yarn, well, the old colours, quite a lot recently, and I love using them in my projects. If you guys are not new to this channel, you know that I love using really big hooks with my yarn. So for Aran yarn, which is like 4 medium weight, I like to use an 8mm crochet hook to get that really loose stitch and like kind of lacy kind of look, but also it just makes your project bigger and less tight and less thick, I find. Anyway, so let's find the information about this yarn. It's a 400 gram ball, 800 meters approximately, 75% acrylic and 25% wool. So there is wool in this yarn, but honestly, I have not found it to be scratchy when I wear it. So it's honestly fine. But obviously, if you're allergic to wool, then stay away. But yeah, I kind of hope that they come out with this yarn but just 100% acrylic so that people with wool allergies don't have to stay away from it. But yeah, that's just my one downside to this, that it does have that wool content in it, but it is really nice and soft. So yeah, that is the Fern colour, super nice. I had to pick up that green because I love green. I love green yarn. Can she stack there? Yes. And then the last colour I picked up is this nice blue colour. Get it out. Oh. So same thing again as the Aran yarn, and this is in the colour Teal. and we all know I love the colour teal. So pretty. So yeah, that is everything I picked up. Oh, I forgot to mention how much they were. I think, oh, they don't have the stickers on the bags. I'm pretty sure the Aran yarn is £4.99, I believe. Yeah, I think they're £5 each for 400 grams, which again is incredible, and these massive balls last you ages. So yeah, that's all for my yarn haul today. I know that Wendy and Ali posted a yarn haul from this Aldi event recently, so I will link their videos in one of the comments down below, and then I'll pin it so you guys can check out their yarn hauls to see what other yarn they have. They got some really cool stuff as well, so yeah, I'll link their videos so you can watch those as well. But yeah, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day, happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Also, I forgot to mention that the Aldi website is fully stocked with yarn, so even if you go to your local Aldi and you see that there's no yarn, check the website because they have so much on there, because I know that this event was slightly delayed in some places, so yeah, if you can't find the yarn there, it will definitely be on the website. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Aldi to say any of this, I got you. The yarn is so cheap and it's such good quality, so check it out.